Can I be your superhero? Superhero.
Drew with the finest of colors. We were like crayons, never meant to last. Our colorful clothing all washed out. Hope we could find our way out of the moaner complaining on the wall. Our colorful clothing all washed out.
We live in gray, dreaming of the colors fading away. Can you see, we're washed out.
Washed out. We're washed out. We need to turn our pages, sharpen our pencils and start again. The colorful feelings are washed out. Where should we keep our stories? Stories of moments we can't forget. The colorful feelings are washed out.
We live in gray, dreaming of the colors fading away. Can you see, we're washed out.
We're washed out. We're washed out. Washed out.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Staying up when I